how to create a CV in ChatGPT. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a CV easily using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Simply head over to ChatGPT, go to new chat and type in give me a CV, or simply type in give me a CV format. Press enter and then they're going to give you a whole format for CV. So what you can do is simply copy this. You can copy all of the format and then head over to Notepad and paste the format. So now once you have pasted the format, you can manually type in all of your information. So let's ask ChatGPT to simply fill in some raw information. So fill in some draft raw info and press enter. So they're going to give you the whole raw information, and now it's going to say that do you want me to export this into a ready to use Word doc CV template so you can just tweak the info. So I'm going to ask it to create a JPG. So I'm going to ask JPG picture and press enter. So now ChatGPT is going to create a JPG image. So I'm going to say yes. So you can tell them what kind of image you want, what the format should be. Once done, they will simply generate one for you. Simply wait for it to be done generating. And then you can simply download it and print it and you're good to go. So that is basically how you can use ChatGPT to create your CV. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.